YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, we're creating a custom front mount intercooler for the Ranger. Well, now you know lots of things aren't always off the shelf. You can't just go buy LS swap Ford Ranger stuff. So for an intercooler, we bought a Vibrant core intercooler, and now what we're actually going to be making is the intercooler piping. So we have already fabbed it up, mocked it up, welded it all together, and I've kind of put it all together so I can show you guys what the pipe is, which one's doing what, and how it's arranged. So shout out to Vibrant for providing us such a great core. It's going to handle about 900 wheel horsepower. And then we also, to Lyle Stainless in Burlington, they actually provided us the stainless steel for the intercooler piping. So let's go check out the pieces and how they all fit, and I'll explain a little bit more. All right, everyone. So as you know, the twin turbo setup is not off the shelf, so we had to custom a lot of stuff. And the first thing today I want to talk about is our custom twin turbo front mount intercooler kit that we had to completely make. So I'm going to show you the pieces here that we have. It comes 4 pieces that we had to make. I don't have the 90-degree elbow that's going to connect the intercooler to the Y pipe that collects from both turbos, but I'm going to show you that right now, and we're going to install it on, and you're going to be able to see what it looks like. So let's go. So the first pipe we have right here this is coming off the driver's side turbo charge pipe, and it's going to come across the front of the engine, and on this side is the passenger side turbo that comes to a Y collector. So we're going to install this piece first, and then we'll install the Y collector. Okay guys, so here's this charge pipe here that has to be put on. It actually goes down like this, as I was saying, between the rad. Might be easier if I go the other way. Let's move this out of the way. So there we go. So that's going to come across the engine. Gotta put this up like that. Gently put it down. It's kind of hard when the turbo's loose. Let's tighten these up a little bit so it's a little more sturdy. There we go. Okay, so that's on there. This is the second piece. This piece is coming from the driver's side turbo, and this is into the passenger side turbo. And this right here is the Y collector for the charge pipe. This is where the 90-degree coupler is going to go. That's going to turn and go into the front mount intercooler. So let's go attach this to the cross member piece, and attach this to the turbo, and put this through the frame. Okay, this next one. This is going to go into the piece that we just put in. This is going to that turbo. And this is where the 90 degree is going to come in. So let's install this one. Alright. First things first. Gotta get this down. This needs to come off. Here we go. Oh, much more with that all off. So this together here. Nice and snug. Then we need to toss this coupler back on, and then I'm going to bring this up a little bit. Maybe we'll put that on like that. Little tight. There we go. All right. So, whoops. this cross piece here. Just like that. And then down here, that 90 is going to come out and come into right there. This piece right here, it actually goes like this. So this is the driver's side front mount intercooler outlet, and this is going to be pushing the air up around the frame. This is going to loop around the frame, and it's going to join here. That's going to go into our intake manifold, or our throttle body per se. But so this had to be custom around my frame to then go up and then into my throttle body. So let's go install this one next. Okay, the next one we were talking about is this one, where this is actually going to go under the frame. I actually think it goes like this. Whoa. Right like that. A bit of a bitch. Or do I have it backwards? I do. I have it backwards. I think. Let's try it. Perfect. Make sure that's right. Oh yeah. Just like that. Perfect. Let me show you what the other side looks like. So we see that it's here. Wraps around the frame. Comes up right there. All right. Last but not least. This one right here. This right here is going to attach to the piece that we just installed that goes around the frame. And this is going to come up past the rad. It's going to come in front of the rad here, and then it's going to go into my intake. We got some vibrant couplers on this. We got some JLS custom welds going on here. It's a really nice piece. So let's go install this, and then the front mount intercooler will be completely enclosed and all complete. All right, last but not least, here is the piece that connects to the throttle body here. All right, we got that coupler in. And then we just get this to fit on. Oh my goodness. Just like that. And there you have it. All of this piping needs a little bit of adjustment, of course. We're just putting all the couplers on right now, making sure it's all nice and snug. Nothing's out of the ordinary or not as planned, but everything's connected there. All the couplers are together, the cross member piece. Okay guys, so that is all the pieces for the front mount intercooler. It's actually really nice. I actually enjoy it. I've had off the shelf intercoolers before, like the full kit. And let me tell you, it's a lot easier to be able to put something like that in your truck. But this isn't really the kind of truck or build that's just like off the shelf. do whatever, easy peasy. So thank you, Jesse at JLS, for putting this together, helping make this an incredible build. Thank you, Vibrant. Thank you, Lyles. Thanks to all the people that have helped me with this build so far. But that is the end of the video. I'm really excited. There's still a bunch more stuff to do. We're currently working on the wastegates, lining that up. I'll give you a sweet little preview of that. Look at this. Okay. That's too much. I've already showed you too much. I can't be showing you all that. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video and comment below. I want to hear about your stories about building. Have you made a custom front mount intercooler before? And if you want any questions about the truck and you want to know something about it, let me know. Put it in the comments below. All right, guys? We'll see you next video, and everyone drive safe.